Radio Department! Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and I'm from Intermediate Department. Good day everyone, I am Charmaine Morbo from Youth 11.
Good morning everyone, my name is John Burby Leones from Yung 11. I'm a student.
Good day everyone, I'm Rodan Mendisonia, proudly and proudly representing grade 11 Confucius.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kirby Ray Garzon, representing grade 11 Confucius.
Good day everyone, I'm Berlin Gonzaga from the strand that is empowered by knowledge and driven by ambition, proudly representing ABM 12!
I'm Leslie Munoz from Yung Square.
Good day everyone, my name is Karaoke Canlas, proudly and proudly representing Junior High Department.
Good day, everyone. My name is Maynard Amador from TBL 12.
Watch me shine, watch me glow. Mary Jocelyn Minardo, representing the brilliance of Youth 11 Aristotle. Good morning, everyone. I am Jamaica Reyes Malapan, proudly representing Youth 12.